Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change the password on the Snapchat. Sometimes we need to more security and we want to change our password on the Snapchat, so this video will be helpful for you. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe yet, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options, click on it, and then you will see password options, click on it, and then and right here your current password. After writing the current password, click on continue options. So and right here your new password, and then again right here your new password. So after that, click on save options. So in this way you can see your password has been updated. So in this way you can change your password on the Snapchat. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.